Just doing a little update. This is pretty much why you need S14 or S15 hinges, just to compare them next to the S13s. You can see a dramatic difference. It's actually this way, so it'll change the way that your hood fits. These are the part numbers right here, in case anybody needs them. But I will be throwing these on today, along with the hood that's already here, adjusting all of this fitment issues and everything like that. I'll come back to the video when it's all put on there. Alright, at this point I have both of them on. Now with the S14 hinges, supposedly you can use both mounting points. With the S15 ones, I think you can only use the front on the back, so you have to move it back to this one where the front would be there, and just use that first bolt. But I've heard from the S14 that you can use both, so I'm gonna try to do it with both, and if that doesn't work, then I'll just move it back. Okay, so it actually turned out that you couldn't use both. I had to move it back. This is what I meant. Have the front bolt, the front of the latch of the hinge go to the back mounting point. These are S14 hinges, and then if you do that right, don't tighten the bolts down yet. Just kind of have them in there snug to the point where you can like move this around a little bit, and then mount your hood. That way you could get the bolts in, because these will move around. It's like a little off angle for this right now. Same for the other side. But if you leave them kind of unsnug, you know, loose, but it can't come out, where you can move this around, you can angle and get these in, and then you can tighten them up, and then you can tighten this down. But that is the way to go to use S14 hinges on the S15 hood. Just gonna post that as an update video. I'm gonna finish tightening these down, and then we'll see how the fitment is. Drop it.
Grab it?
Yeah. So now we're here. I gotta fix this gap. This big ass gap. And it's a little gap here as well. So I just gotta adjust fitment on it now, but it's pretty much done. And then clean up that, paint it. There you go.